Now, the Jamaican Lacrosse Association is asking for help. The national under-20 girls are set to represent Jamaica at the Lacrosse Under-20 World Championships in Hong Kong, but are in danger of missing out. As you'll hear in this report, the association still needs to cover a significant sum before the girls can set foot on the field.
US $31,000 or just over 4.8 million Jamaican dollars is the shortfall the Jamaica Lacrosse Association needs to make up if the national under-20 girls are to compete at the Lacrosse Under-20 World Championship set for August 15 to 24 in Hong Kong. According to President of the Jamaica Lacrosse Association, Calbert Hutchinson, the total cost to send the 6-member contingent is actually US $135,000. Hutchinson says he has received help, but it could all be in vain if the US $31,000 deficit is not met.
We have gotten sponsorship from a few organizations and individuals, but we're still in the deficit of about 31,000 US. So the problem is, if that money is not paid, if we don't raise that before the girls go to Hong Kong, it's likely that they will not play until it is paid. And we also run the risk of being, pulled from the championship.
And when asked about help from the Sports Development Foundation, Hutchinson had this to say.
For the SDF, through the Ministry of Sport, for one player, it costs $957,000, roughly $1 million. And we have gotten, for one player that is, and we have gotten $500,000 from the SDF. And I said before, though we are grateful for the support in that regard, it is still not enough to, clear our standing balance with the organizing committee and World Lacrosse body.
Hutchinson has also reached out to the Jamaica Olympic Association for assistance.
I've made an appeal to the SDF. That appeal was denied. And I've also been reaching out to the GOA, but it seems as if the GOA has been caught up with the J3s. And I've not been getting any response. I've sent numerous emails and letters to the Jamaica Olympic Association for assistance, and I've not gotten a response up until this point. And though in the past, we have gotten moral support and mental support at other events through the GOA, at this particular time, we have not gotten any response from them.
Hutchinson was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Tuesday. The lacrosse team is currently in intense training with coach Taylor Irwin. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.